I'm Marina.
I am Biha.
I'm Shreya.
I am Atira.
We're gonna show you how to solve a question regarding to this chapter.
Diagram 10, ABD and BCE are straight lines. The point A and D lie on the x-axis and the y-axis, respectively. Point B is the midpoint of AD. Find the coordinates of B. Point B is the midpoint. So to find midpoint, we must use this formula. M equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Where do the x and y come from? They come from point A and point D. So we must find the coordinate of A and D. To find coordinate of A, look at the diagram. A, x1 and y1. So the diagram, A, x1 is unknown while y1 is 0. Coordinate of D, x2 and y2. D, from the diagram, D, x is 0 while y2 is unknown. So to find coordinates A, we must know the x. So to find x, substitute 0, which is the y1, into the y from the equation 6x minus 4y plus 24 equals to 0. The equation comes from the information given. So substitute like usual. 6x minus 4 times 0 plus 24 equals to 0. 6x plus 24 equals to 0. 6x equals to negative 24. X equals to negative 24 divided by 6. X equals to negative 4. So A, x 0, A, negative 4, 0. To find coordinate D, x2, y2, or D, 0, y, substitute the 0, which is the x2, into the x from the equation, which is 6x minus 4y plus 24 equals to 0. So substitute like usual. 6 times 0 minus 4y plus 24 equals to 0. Negative 4y plus 24 equals to 0. Negative 4y equals to negative 24. Y equals to negative 24 divided by negative 4. So y equals to 6. So D, which is 0, and y2 become D, 0, 6. So this step can be considered as the first mark. The next step is substitute point A and point D into the midpoint formula, which is to find point B. So B equals to, in bracket, negative 4 plus 0 divided by 2, comma, 0 plus 6 divided by 2. B equals to, in bracket, negative 4 divided by 2, comma, 6 divided by 2. Then we get the answer for the coordinate of point B, which is negative 2, 3. And this can be considered as the second mark. So we can get 2 marks total for this question. Given BC to the CE is 1 to the 4. Find the coordinate of E. From the diagram 10, BCE line is there. So we highlight and bring it out. From the line BCE, we can see that C is the divisor of the line segment. So we can include the formula of divisor of the line segment, which is m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, comma, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So from the diagram also, we can see that B is x1 and y1, while E is x2 and y2. So substitute like usual. C, which is the 0, 2, equals to, in bracket, 1, which is the m, times x, which is unknown because it is from point E, plus 4, which is n, times negative 2 from x1, which is from the point B, divided by 1 plus 4. Then, comma, 1, which is the m, times y, which is the unknown from the point E, plus 4, which is n, times 3, y from the point B, divided by 1 plus 4. The next step is x minus 8 divided by 5, comma, 1 plus 12 divided by 5. So from the equation, we can see that 0, which is x, is also x minus 8 divided by 5. 2 from point C is also y plus 12 divided by 5. So find y by the equation. 2 equals to y plus 12 divided by 5. 2 times 5 equals to y plus 12. 10 equals to y plus 12. 10 minus 12 equals to y. Negative 2 equals to y. Y equals to negative 2. Same step is taken to find x. So x and y is the coordinate of E. So E is 8, negative 2.
Questions for C1. Find the equation of the locus of the point. So the question also mentioned that a point is moving in such a way that its distance from D is half of its distance from E. So let's name that point with P, and we know that the ratio of dp is 2. So and we got the coordinate of
on to question 4. C2. Does the locus intersect at the y-axis? The first step would be to substitute the equation x equals to 0 into the equation of the locus. Thus, it becomes 3y squared minus 52y plus 76 equals to 0. Now, substitute the values of a, b, and c into the equation b squared minus 4ac. If b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, the locus intersects the y-axis at only one point. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, the locus intersects the y-axis at 2 points. But if b squared minus 4ac equates to less than 0, the locus does not intersect the y-axis at any point. The values of a, b, and c are 3, negative 52, and 76 respectively. Substitute this into the equation, receiving negative 52 squared minus 4 in brackets 3 times 76. The final answer for this equation is 1792, a value that is greater than 0. Thus, b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, which means that the locus intersecting the y-axis are at 2 points. That's all for this question. Thank you.